What's up guys, it's me your Geek. Now here is the essential phone PH-1 Wi-Fi speed test. Where's the Wi-Fi? Okay, speed. Yeah, Wi-Fi speed test. Let's get started. Let's see how fast is the Wi-Fi speed. I mean, let's see. I'm really very much excited to be honest with you. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, 19 megabits per second, 19 megabits per second, 20, 20, 20. Right now we are at 20, 20, 20. Let's cross 21. Let's cross 21. Come on, my PH1. Only 20. Quite sad to be honest with you. Okay, now let's see the upload speed. Come on, my essential phone. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I don't know. Maybe the network is bad today, but the main thing we need to know download. Okay, the upload is slow. I mean, the upload will be like around similar to 20 to be honest with you. But today I don't know, maybe my Wi-Fi router is like having like bad upload time today. Oh, okay. Excuse me. This was the data. This was not the Wi-Fi. I mean, I didn't even turn on the Wi-Fi. This was my mobile data. This was my mobile data. Let's do it again. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. You know, this kind of pure raw benchmark I really like to do because these are like totally unscripted, totally unbiased. No one sponsored me to say good thing. Now you see 60, 70 megabits per second. Come on, you my essential 70. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, wow, yeah. I mean, 72. I'm amazed. This is one of the most fastest one. If you don't know, even I did the speed test on the Galaxy S9 on Note 10. I mean, they're like around 55 megabits per category. This is one of the most fastest Wi-Fi phone ever. I mean, the signal level drop 37.7. Okay, that is awesome. If you like such video, my email address is in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe. And it was me, Geek. Bye. Check out the links in the description box. Bye.